Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer GTA Online characters from PS5 to PC. So, it's really easy, but it involves a lot of steps. So you make sure you watch this end till the video. Now ensure Rockstar Social Club account. So here what you have to do, this is, Rockstar Social account here, right? And if you're playing GTA Online, then surely you will get this option, and without this Rockstar launcher you won't be able to do this. So of course you would have made ID, and it requires ID. Now access GD Online on PS5, start launching. So launch your game on PS5 here. You need to have your characters and progress saved, and the saving uploads on the cloud-based systems automatically it will get saved, but make sure you stay save it here by your account. Unlike console to console transfer, this option to transfer from PS5 to PC may not be directly available in the game. As of now, Rockstar has not officially provided a method of transferring characters from console to PC, and previous transfers were primarily focused on moving characters between consoles of the same family, like for example PS4 to PS5. If you are looking for an official method, so you can just go and check your Rockstar support, but I'm sure you won't get it because I've already found a method and it's not showing any of the things here. Right, and here you will get generally you will get error. So if migration is not possible, you may need to create a new character on your PC version of GTA Online, because as you know, GTA Online on PC is completely different, and the account is completely different, right? That's the reason. So it's not possible to transfer from from PS5 to PC, right? So you have to create a new account here, or basically if you can't create a new account, because creating a new account means you have to buy a new game here, but you can do one thing, you can just create a new character, because I'm sure, because I'm playing GTA 5 regularly and I know I can create a new character. So this is a thing, but you will lose all your progress, right? The points which show the RP and everything, you won't be able to lose or get that. So the thing is that you have to create a new character. Thanks for watching, subscribe.